So I'm just going to talk to you very quickly about a way we can use Google's voice typing tool to really save ourselves a lot of work and a lot of hassle, both for students and for ourselves as teachers as well. I've got a PDF here, which I really want to copy some information across from, but rather than just take a screenshot, I want to take that information straight into a Google Doc. But I don't have the original. I've only got access to this PDF, and I can't copy and paste that information across. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my tab scissors just to split the screen here. And then I've got myself set up a Talk to Me demo in Google Docs. And I'm going to go to my tools and I'm going to select voice typing. Make sure it's set to English. And when I click this, it'll give me the opportunity to speak. And I'm simply going to read out the information from this section here. So let's give that a go. Breakout challenges. You can use the forms option, data validation, in a question to require a correct answer before students can progress to the next question. This could be a word or number entered correctly. In this way, you can create a 10-question quiz where students have to unlock the next level. So why not give it a try with a homework task or as a revision tool? So I click on the speaker there just to stop it. And obviously, it's not 100% accurate. It's listening to my voice and doing the best it can, but it's an awful lot quicker than it would be. And we can just check it across. So breakout and progress to the next question, and then I'll just put in my individual information. I can format it as I like, put myself a full stop in there. So we can do that, and that information then is brought across without us having to worry, and it can be done really, really quickly. So I used that this morning with a booklet that I wanted to copy some information across from. The other thing you can also do is if you teach students and you're doing anything speaking and listening related, as I do often with a modern languages point of view, the tool itself can be put into different languages. So I can set this to example Spanish. Where's the right one? There we go. So I'm going to set this to Spanish. When I click to speak, I'm going to use this as I would with my Year 11 students. So for example, if they're planning answers for speaking exams, they might be able to use this tool. So, por ejemplo, me gusta mucho bailar en las discotecas porque es muy divertido. And by using this option, and you see it gives you helpful tips as we're going along, by using this option, we can clearly and quickly see from a student perspective whether Google is actually understanding our pronunciation. So that's telling us how accurate our pronunciation is as English speakers speaking a foreign language, because if Google is recognizing that and writing the words correctly, we know they're on the right tracks. So quite a useful little tool, and hope people find it useful. I'm just going to glue that back together then with a little bit of tab glue.